Hello students, as we know that plants not only make us feel good, but they are also important for us in many ways. So in this video we will discuss the importance of plants, how are they useful to us, and we will also take up the ways to conserve plants. Before beginning the chapter, let us recall what we have studied in our lesson 2. This is the picture of different parts of plant. I hope you can identify them. There are roots, there is stem, there are leaves, there are flowers, and there are fruits. And you all know what is the function of a leaf? It prepares food for the plant. And what is the function of a stem? It carries all the parts of the shoot. And roots also play a major role as they fix the plant in the soil. What is the function of flower? Flowers grow into a fruit. And what is the role of fruit? It stores seeds. So students, in your class 2, you have studied about plant products. What are plant products? Do you remember? All those things that we get from plants are called plant products. For example, we get grains, pulses, dry fruits, oils, fruits and vegetables from plants. But apart from them, we also get some other things from plants. Do you know them? We will study about those things in this chapter. We depend on plants for our various necessities. Plants give us fruits and vegetables, wood, oils, rubber, medicines, and spices. As we have studied in our lesson 3, that some plants like tulsi, neem, ginger, and garlic are used to make medicines. Apart from providing so many useful things, plants give us something very important for all living things. Do you know what is it? This is oxygen gas. The gas we all need for breathing. As we all are quite aware about the poor air quality of our country before lockdown. But due to this lockdown, as the number of vehicles have reduced, as a result of that, the pollution level has decreased and the air quality has become better. So plants give out oxygen gas during the day. This helps to increase the amount of oxygen in the air and thereby purifies it. Hence, plants act as air purifiers. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots, thus prevents soil erosion. So as we have studied that plants are useful to us in many ways. So it's our duty to conserve the plants and to protect them. There are certain steps through which we can conserve the plants. Let's see what are they. So the first suggestion to conserve plants is that we should not cut down the trees. We should use only those branches and leaves that have fallen down. The next step is that we should celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting saplings in the schools and neighborhood areas. We should also take full care of these saplings and let them grow into plants and trees. Do you know, children, that when is Van Mahotsav celebrated in India? It is celebrated in the first week of July. As we all are quite aware about the poor air quality of our country before lockdown. But due to this lockdown, as the number of vehicles have reduced, we need to save our forests and put a ban on deforestation. Now, what is this deforestation? Cutting down of trees is called deforestation. There should be a punishment for those who cut down the trees. Do you know, students, that Norway has become world's first country to ban deforestation? And as we all have recently witnessed, the loss occurred due to Australian bushfires. So, all of us should take steps to protect forests against forest fires. As we all know, that trees are the lungs of our earth. So, with this, let's join our hands and take a pledge that we will grow more and more trees and we will protect our Mother Earth.